Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a pinch block for grip strength training. I'll use 2 scrap pieces of 2x4 for the gripping block. First, I'll glue and clamp it together. I'll come back to it once it's dry. Now that it's done drying, I'll cut it. Here I'm tapering the edges so I'll have a more comfortable grip. Now I'll drill a hole and put this hook in. Okay, so now you would be able to just use some sort of rope and use it like this, but I'm going to make a plate holder. For that, I'll use an old broomstick and this piece of scrap wood. To attach these two, I'll use a hex screw. Well, I guess that didn't work. That might actually hold. Okay, now it's all done. Now test it. Okay, that's 20. That's pretty easy. Okay, 40. Okay, so the most I can do is 40 pounds. And this thing holds. So, it works. And this is super easy to make. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Okay, that's a slight problem.